Okay, let's do a quick outfit of the day because we got a little bit of a moment. Don't pay no pain. Don't pay no mind to the person interrupting me. Or, my bad, the outfit. I will hopefully be able to post my little review for my scrunchie. I forgot what brand it is already, but it's silk. Hair, I curled it with Beach Waver last night. I'm hoping to have already posted that video by the time I post this one. I curled it. I used one of my scrunchies, put it up in a bun, put my bonnet over it. This morning, I just combed it out with my wide tooth comb, starting at your ends, obviously, and I just kept going like this to keep the curl a little bit. Scrunched it up with some John Anthony mousse. I'm hoping to also post that video before this one. This ain't ever gonna be quick. I don't know why I say quick. Earrings, Target. Nose ring, Walmart. Cartilage, Old Navy. There's a choo-choo train going by. Mama shirt. I just tucked it in to the bra, just in the front, so that way the back just like a high-low situation. Hold on.